Hi everybody, this is Francis Serrano from 413 Media Group, and today's another episode of Bayani Talk. Hey, what's up everybody? This is Francis Serrano from 413 Media Group, and today's another episode of Bayani Talk. And today is another unboxing reveal from my subscription from WatchGang. But guess what, folks? I didn't get one box today, I got two. One of them is from the wheel, and the other one is my monthly subscription. But today we're going to open first the one from the wheel that I got. So I did the wheel for the first time back in May 3rd. I got a little addicted to it, and I went 4 times at all. But this is actually, I believe, yes, this was the last one out of the 4 that came in, and I already did a box reveal for the other ones, but this one is going to be the last one from that series of wheel opening. Okay, so let's go ahead and watch what we have here. All right, so this one is the one that came from New York. So this is the one that came for the wheel. I went and crossed out my address for safety purposes, but as you can see, the box is still sealed. I have not opened it. We will be opening this together. Let me move this. There we go. Okay, so open this up. Oh, by the way, I already wiped this all down on the outside, so to make sure that everything is sanitary. All right. Oh my goodness, look at that. Just the box alone looks amazing. Let's put this over here. So&Co New York. Okay, so I knew what this was already, and I was already pretty much excited about this. It's a So&Co Tribeca 5027 GMT 40 millimeters. Okay, and then now we're just gonna slide this out of the box. Here we go. Again, look at that, beautiful boxes, and now we're opening it for the first time. Wow, look at this, folks. It's a So&Co watch. It's got the black strap on nylon, but genuine leather underneath, but with a red trim on it. I just think that's gorgeous. I don't know about y'all, but that's gorgeous. And yeah, the time is almost set correctly, but it's okay. But yeah, I mean, look at the back. Let me just show this a little bit closer. There you go. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely gorgeous. Now, there is some wear and tear already here and here. So it looks like somebody has put this on already, but still pretty gorgeous, okay? And, you know, let's see what's in the box here. Of course, it has the 1-year warranty card and the instruction manual. Okay, wonderful. So that's back here. But this is the, wow. I've actually been, this is the second one that I've been waiting for, that I was really excited about, and it's finally here. It's a lot smaller than what I'm used to. I think I'm more of a 44 millimeter type guy, but it's still a gorgeous watch. Don't get me wrong, it's still a gorgeous watch. So let's find out. Let me take off my Bulova watch. This is my watch of the day, and let's see if this sucker fits. So this is going to determine whether or not I keep this or not. It's already pretty tight, guys. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's pretty tight. Well, I guess I'm either really inept or I can't really, it's really too tight for me. There you go. Yeah, I mean, it looks good. It is definitely not what the website shows us, but it still looks pretty good. I think it's just the strap is a little too small for me. So yeah, we're definitely going to be returning this. We're going to be selling this watch very, very shortly. Okay, there you go. It's off. But it's still a beautiful watch. I mean, don't get me wrong. I still like it. I was looking forward to it, and now it's here. You know, it's got it. You know, it's a gorgeous watch. But I am going to be selling this because it is a little too small. Not just the strap, but as well as the watch itself is a little too small for my taste. But it's still a beautiful watch. I'm still very glad that I won this in the wheel. And now hopefully I can sell this and make some bit of money on this, okay? All right, so this is that watch, and I think, like I said, this turned out pretty well. I really liked it, but again, it's just a little too small. This is more the watch that I mean, the size of the watch that I kind of rock. As you can tell, this is a little bit bigger. This is a little bit smaller. So this is just kind of like, this is what more I rock kind of watch. Still a beautiful watch. I'm still very, very happy with the purchase. But one of the reasons why I got into WatchGang is because I want to be able to, if I wanted to, turn around and sell these watches and, you know, maybe hopefully make a little bit of a profit in the midst of it. So, but yeah, let's go ahead and open the second one.